A number of recent violations of children is causing a number of organizations to push even harder in the fight against any form of abuse of children. At an advocates training, victim support graduation and concert held earlier this month, Tina Alexander, a child advocate, stated, "The interest of the child should be paramount, not the needs of the accused." And the Lifeline Ministries welcomed members of the NGO Coalition for the Protection of Children and Youth and several interested newcomers to their first advocates training, which was funded by the British High Commission. The training introduced the subjects of paper committals, integrated investigations, and the need for a sexual offenders registry. The participants heard from Inspector Michael Loda from the DPPS office, retired Police Commissioner Mrs. Yvonne Alexander, and also retired Superintendent of Prisons Mr. Algernon Chatter. Representatives of the Girl Guides, Carryman, Child Fund, and several Lifeline victim supporters heard the calling for the following: to revisit the whole process of having a preliminary inquiry in the magistrate's court. The current system favors the perpetrator. We need a family division. A change in emphasis from proving the case against the accused to always having the interest of the child as paramount. Mandatory reporting and a revision of the current protocol, which is lengthy and lacks confidentiality. Rape kits and speedy victim-friendly medical services away from the public eye. And the universal availability of therapeutic support to witnesses and families every step of the way. And Alexander added, if a child under 16 has been sexually abused and there is physical evidence and a clear identification, the perpetrator should be prosecuted. Whether the child enjoyed it, initiated it, wore clothes that asked for it, received money or top-up for it, photographed herself doing it, or even seduced the big man is all irrelevant, she said.